Thank you for staying at home. Keep watching the video. Slow charging. Is your Android phone charging very slowly? Then watch this video to fix the problem. So now let's go to the point. Nowadays, time is very valuable. If your phone may be very expensive, but it takes a long to get the charge your phone. So there is a lot of issues, like if your USB cable problem or your adapter problem. So you have to find it out. What is the problem? Why it takes a long time to fully charge? So now my phone power connected. I'm using a different app, and you see maximum is 1100 mAh, and my phone is charging so fast. So when you see maximum above 1000 mAh, then your phone is charging very fast. So your cable is okay and your adapter is fine. Mainly your USB cable is perfect. So now I will show another cable. Now my power disconnected, and I'm putting another cheapest cable, very cheaper, this cable. Now see, my phone is charging very slowly, max 180 mAh. 180 means if it shows below 1000, then your cable problem, USB cable problem, or your adapter problem, mainly your USB cable problem. When your USB cable is better, a good one, then it will show max charge above 1000. Then your USB cable is okay and your charging will be faster. So how to check that your USB cable is okay or not? You have to download one app. The app you can download from Play Store. It is free. So before than that, subscribe our channel Toolbox Bangladesh and click the bell button to get the notification. Okay, just go to Play Store and download this app, Ampere. That is free version. If you want full version, premium version, just get the link from our video description. Okay viewers, stay at home, stay safe from coronavirus, COVID-19 disease. Stay at home. Thanks. Keep watching.